Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can edit a video on Canva. So after uploading your video, here's what you can do. If you want to, you can of course resize your video by using the corners over here. We have these round corners which allow you to resize your video. Of course, you can also use the size of the video, so you can expand it like so if needed. Okay, and now over here you have the timeline. So you can, for instance, let me just get back to the original size like so. So if you want to only have a part of the video, then you can, for instance, move this slider over here from the end or from the front in order to keep only part of the video. You can also click on the video over here, and then you have the scissors icon with seconds over here. And if you click, then you will see what part of the video is being used on the timeline. And of course you can extend or make it shorter as well from here. And after that you can press done. Furthermore, what we can do is go to edit video, and here we have a bunch of different filters which we can use. We can also click on see all in order to find even more filters, and we can even customize the selected filter. And if you want to remove the filter, simply click none at the top over here, and let's go back from filters. You can also use a background remover by clicking this tool over here. Of course, you need Canva Pro in order to use it, however, and it takes some time to actually to load it up. But it is also a great tool that allows you to, for instance, create some sort of like a blue screen or green screen, rather, some sort of effect, which you can, for instance, then use to upload on YouTube, let's say, right? But we also have some adjustment filters. So if we go over here, then here we can manually adjust some colors. We can increase the warmth of the colors. We can change the tint like so. We can change the light. We can adjust the light, the contrast, highlights, and shadows, and fade. We can also adjust the colors over here. We can make it more vibrant. We can increase or decrease the saturation, and something that is called X process. And we also have vignette of the texture. So as you can see, we can make the corners a little bit blacked out like so. And if you want to reset, then of course you have the reset button at the bottom of the over here. Now going back to the top panel over here, top tools, here we can click on playback. Here we can increase or decrease the video speed. So if you want to make your video faster, then this is how you can do it. And I believe you can also apply no, you cannot apply custom values. However, let's try to use 165, oops, 165, and this works too. So you can choose between 0.25 to 2, and if you want to, you can also use custom values between those two values. You can also enable play on repeat if needed. You can also enable disable play automatically, and we can go to crop over here, which allow you to pretty much cut out the video if needed. So if you don't want some part of the video, you only want to keep only part of the video, then you can do it like so. You have these corners over here which allow you to change it, and of course you can move the video over here if you want to rearrange it like so. And after that we can press done over here in order to apply the changes, and now as you can see, only this part of the video is visible. We also have flip, which allows us to flip horizontal, to use horizontally flip it, or vertically like so. So this is also a pretty cool tool. We also have border style, although I don't think it is really that needed in video editing. However, just to showcase that this is available on Canva, you can use it as well. We also have animations which you can choose from. So if your project needs an animation for your video, then of course you can use that as well. And we also have position settings, where we can align our video and put it in the center like so, and in the middle like so. And of course a bunch of different options regarding the width and height of the video, as well as the position over here. And if you want to, you can also rotate the video over here if really needed. And if you want to resize, then once again you can use these corners over here, or the sides, or the rectangles that are on the side, that allow you to change the size of the video. And of course we also have transparency, which allow you to change how transparent the video can be. or should be. You can move the slider in order to increase or decrease the transparency. And we also have volume settings. So here, if your video has a sound, then of course here you can adjust the volume like so. And last but not least, we also have lock position, which allow you to pretty much prevent you from accidentally moving or resizing the video. So as you can see right now, everything is pretty much disabled, and if I try to move the video, then it doesn't work. There is no way for me to move the video, to resize it or anything. And if you want to unlock it, then you can click over here to lock and then click on this lock icon again in order to unlock it like so. And that's pretty much it. These are all basic tools that you can use on Canva to edit the video, to customize it and make it look as you wish. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!